So hey guys, what's up? This morning I will be showing you how to make cassava pudding, and this is the cassava, and I'm using a bone dry coconut. I'm using some flour as well, some brown sugar, and I'm going to add some raisin to my cassava pudding. That's optional. I'm also going to add a little Ray and Nephew rum. That's optional again, guys. So I have my cinnamon powder. I'm using the cinnamon powder, baking powder, butter, vanilla extract, and nutmeg. Alright, so let's get this thing started. So I am doing old school. I am going to grate my cassava. You can also blend your cassava, cut it up and blend it. Alright, with a little water. You don't want to use too much water when you are blending it because you don't want it to be too watery. But I am doing it old school, so I am going to grate her. Alrighty, so let's start with our coconut first. Let's burst this. And I am going to use the outside. You can use your oven. I am doing it old school. Bone dry coconuts. Then you wash your coconut. So I am basically washing the coconut, getting them clean and nice right over here. Then I'm going to just blend them, cut them up and blend them. I don't have to cut them up, it depending on the blender that you are using. If you are not using a Ninja blender, cut up your coconut small. Don't give the blender too much work. That will give your blender less time with you. That will mash up the blender basically. All right, peeling the cassava.
Anybody know?
So after you finish peel your cassava, guys, remember to wash your cassava before you peel it. Then you wash it again. Now we are going to grate the cassava. Alright, so now that our cassava is finished grater, moving on to the coconut, I am going to blend them right here. Pause it. So we are combining the sugar, vanilla, and the coconut milk. So I add the sugar already and the vanilla extract. I'm going to add the coconut milk now. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to sieve my flour. Combine the flour, the nutmeg, and the baking powder and the cinnamon powder together. Then we're going to add it to our mixture right here. So this is this. We're going to set this aside.
Share interest is that.
Alright now guys, so this is the flour, the cinnamon powder, and the nutmeg and salt. So we're going to combine that, and then we're going to add it to our cassava mixture. So remember to sieve your flour. Alright, so we're going right over to the cassava mixture with this now. Make sure you combine good. Mix it properly. I'm using a wooden spoon. You can go ahead and use a whisk. And if you're asking if you can use cassava flour, yes you can. Alright, so we're going to add this to our cassava mixture. Adding our flour, and we're going to properly mix this out. Adding the raisin. All right, put it on it now.
Hallelujah, Namiko. What is that, people?
Cassava pudding. And checking in with our cassava pudding now, guys. Woo. So I am going to add you know your pudding can't be good pudding unless it has that custard thing on top of it. Alright, so the rest of the milk, the coconut milk that I saved, I'm going to just add it on the top. And I'm going to add back the fire on top, while the fire at the bottom is minimum, little bit, little or no heat to be on the bottom right about now. Little or no heat. Alright guys, so this is our final. Our cassava pudding is finished. So I'm just going to remove the fire from the top and let you have a look at it. And I'm going to remove it from the heat right about now. Smelling really nice. Oh, that flavor. So I'm gonna have to allow this to cool before I try to cut it. Please allow it to cool it. You have to allow it to cool.
Alright,
it did a cool already, you know. Alright now guys, so I put the pot in some water to cool. I used to see my mother do this too. Whenever time she bake, she use her Dutch pot them and bake. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut a slice and decorate it and let you guys see it. Now this is one. So we actually bake two this morning. We bake one with the crust and one without. One with the custard and one without. This one here, it has the custard. I'm going to cut into it now. Because you know it have to cool, you know, because if it not cool, it's not going to come out good. So we are diving into a slice. Really easy to prepare. Top up your sweet tooth. Alright, so we're just going to lift it from the pot right about now. Let's hope all is well with it. Let me take the pot out of the water. Hey, we can't do that because it's cool, you know. And we're going to just place it in the plate right there. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Here you go. Alrighty, so we're going to place this right in the plate. Right there. Alright, so we're going to remove the pot. We can just make the pot turn. Right over here. So this is it now guys, and them start eating that one already. So this is our cassava pudding. So these are the raisins, and that's optional if you want to put it in it. The thing is, it add rum to one, and the next one it don't have any rum. Alright, so let me just put a little decoration on it, which is a cherry. I'm going to just add a cherry on top just to give it that nice look, and then I'm going to dive right into it, let you guys see.
Yes, that's a darker.
Alright guys, so I have decorated my cassava pudding, and this is it. So I have one with rum and custard and one without. So this one over here that they start eating, that they couldn't wait on, this is the one that don't have any, I don't put any custard on the top of it, and I did not put any rum inside there. This is the one with the custard and the rum. So I am going to write the recipe for you guys. As usual, I want you to go ahead and, you know, make it and tell me, give me your honest opinion how it tastes, because people want to see that one here done already don't. And I did both of these this morning. Alright, so I'm going to cut this one and let you guys see, because I didn't cut it. Alright, the one without the rum and the custard. So let me dive into it and cut it and let you guys see. But this is it for now. Alright guys, so everybody cut off of this one, yam off and all these things and go about them business. I never actually cut it, let you see it, so I am doing just that. Let me just cut into it. Yeah, so this is it. Alright, so here we go. I can actually put it with this one too, you know, but let me just press it back right here. Or I can just probably just buy it all piece like this yam piece. Alright, so Lovely, lovely, lovely. So I'm gonna dive right in now, guys, and this is it. Lovely. I'm not going to eat off too much right now, because guess what? It's sweet, but it's nice. So I'm eating both. Really good. Please remember to like, share, and comment. Alright guys, always a pleasure doing the recipes them for you guys. Alright, blessings to each and every one. I'm out.